Lil Pump on the rocks, take one. Hold up. Hey GQ, we live right now on the rocks. I'm about to show y'all some of my ice. Oh! This one was like 25.
What do the stars mean?
Just stars. they don't mean shit. They look fire. The Pump piece, the Boondocks inspired me to get this shit. So this is me reincarnated in the Boondocks version. Oh wait, the wings are here? Hey, bring them wings over here, man. They got blue cheese? I got hungry, so my boy Elliot is here to talk to y'all real quick. Did y'all strong with Elliot? Ooh!
Getting the Rolling Stone tongue, and I was like, maybe we should do this tongue with some pills on it.
Fuck it. So,
He wants top quality for everything.
oh wait, I just wear that bitch alone.
A G lady over here, the tab over here, the acid, Xanax, and we save the custom link changes to Miami Gucci link.
We got everything in the Bible. Ooh!